Let's look into mounting your fish finder to your kayak. Choices on the market are the standard mount that comes with the fish finder, which attaches to your center console. There are Railblazer and Yak Attack mounts, which can be simply installed on your kayak. What you see here is the actual Yak Attack mount, which is simple and easy to use and our preferred system when it comes to mounting a fish finder. Simple one-hand operation when all you have to do is release the latch, turn and lift it out of its bracket. Easy for transportation, and when you get to your favourite fishing spot, all you have to do is drop it and lock it. Addition to your fish finder is getting yourself a sunshade to go over your unit. Not only will it reduce the glare and make it easier to see, but you can turn down the brightness of your fish finder screen, therefore making your battery last longer. When it comes to powering your favourite fish finder, there are a number of options on the market. What we recommend and prefer and sell are the Fpv Power Units. If you're running a small style fish finder, we recommend the 7 amp hour FPV battery. If you want to go for that larger fish finder, throw in some LED lights and other small electrical items, we recommend the 17 amp hour battery, all available at Kayaks2Fish. One of the questions we get asked a lot is how long will the battery run your fish finder for? Simple maths formula is this particular low-end system will draw 0.5 amps per hour. All you then have to do is look at the ampage on your battery, get that figure and divide it by the 0.5, and that will give you the hours of operation of your battery and your fish finder. Let's talk about installing your transducer into your kayak. With the next gen 10 and above models, there is actually a transducer plate that comes factory fitted. All you have to do is attach your transducer with some cable ties, reinsert it underneath your kayak, put in the 4 screws, and the transducer will be free of any damage when you come in to land at your favourite bait ramp. If your kayak doesn't have a transducer plate, there are available of aftermarket items you can purchase from Yak Attack switchblade through to Railblazer transducer mount arms. Just remember, when you mount your transducer on your transducer plate, the bubble end is facing towards the front of the plate with the flat end facing towards the back of the plate. Therefore, your sonar and sensor will be working in the correct direction when you reinstall it back inside the kayak.